How's it going, guys? Today we are back in the garage doing some maintenance and fixing a common issue with these Jeeps. I'll explain in a little bit exactly what I got going on. So let's get this going. So my problem is whenever I drive this car for a long time and I go into a store, come back out, start it back up, and I get rough idle, and a lot of times I end up having a misfire code. So what my problem is I got heat soak issues with injector number 3, I believe. So I got this kit. It's the fuel rail and injector covers for it. So let's get this installed and hopefully fix this issue. While I'm at it, I got the brand new spark plugs. Switched these out. This car has 140,000 miles, so I'm not sure when it didn't last. So I'll do it while I'm at it. And it's a good idea to do this with the engine cold, since you'll be disconnecting all these fuel lines and dealing with the fuel. Alrighty, got the fuel rail out. I numbered each of the injector connectors, so since they're so close, I don't want to mix them up. Got the fuel rail right here. I'm gonna clean up these injectors a little bit and put new O-rings that come with the kit. Put in the heat shield, and then wrap each of the injectors on the fuel rail and get it put back together. It's not that complicated, but some of the plastics are kind of brittle, so gotta be careful. Making some progress. Get the fuel rail insulated, all the injectors and reinstalled. Now I gotta wrap each injector, go around and wrap them, give it a little bit more insulation. Started pulling the spark plugs, and this is what was in there. And the gaps on these are all over the place. And then this is what I'm putting in. So we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully I get a little bit better gas mileage. More adventures to come. Moment of truth. Let's get it started. Alrighty, we're all done. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.